Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best HVAC scale for refrigerant professionals out. They're the Elitech LMC-100F Plus Refrigerant Charging Weight Scale. Whether you're new to the HVAC industry or a seasoned technician, having a reliable scale like this can make a world of difference in your work efficiency and accuracy. Let's break down why this product stands out from the rest. The Elitech LMC-100F Plus is designed to be your go-to tool for handling refrigerants with precision and ease. It boasts a remarkable accuracy of plus or minus 0.05% of reading plus 5 grams, ensuring you get precise measurements every time. The scale can handle up to 110 pounds of weight, making it suitable for a wide range of HVAC tasks. Now, you might be wondering why I'm recommending this particular scale. Well, besides its technical specifications, Elitech offers exceptional 24/7 customer support, ensuring you're never left in the dark if you have questions or issues with the product. That kind of support is invaluable in this industry. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable HVAC refrigerant scale, look no further than the Elitech LMC-100F Plus. Its combination of precision, durability, and thoughtful design features makes it a standout choice. Whether you're charging, recovering, or simply measuring refrigerants, this scale is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this scale, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy HVACing.